Alright guys, so I'm at the boat today and it's really nice out. It's like 60 degrees and sunny. So today's the day that we're gonna put the final coat of paint on, which is the non-skid. So I got to kind of clean up the decks, dry them off a little bit because it rained last night, and then put tape down on all the edges and stuff and the corners, and then like round off the tape, and then we'll put some paint down. So we'll get going.
Time my way of life's been redefined, that's all for now. What do you want? What do you want from me?
Okay, so I'm putting down the total boat, total tread. It's like their non-skid paint. Here, I'll show you right here. This one.
Very good liar, liar. So I just set my goals higher, higher. Do I have to state it one more time? I tell you I am doing fine, that's all for now. What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want? What do you want from me?
Okay, we just finished, or I just finished painting the non-skid on the decks. So tomorrow, oh, I got some tape on me. So tomorrow I'm gonna come back and kind of test it out and see if there's any like any really light spots that need a second coat, or if the whole thing needs a second coat. It's a whatever, you know. Now that it's taped out, which was the really time-consuming part, painting it only takes maybe an hour or two. So I can do a second coat tomorrow, or if it's good, then we'll just take the tape off and go from there. Maybe do some touch-ups. But yeah, so we'll check back tomorrow and see how it is. Thanks.
We're gonna go start taking up the tape. And this is like the final reveal video for the tape, for the paint coming up, because there's going to be a huge blizzard this week. So the decks are done. It's too cold to paint again. Unfortunately, we were only able to get one coat of the non-skid out on the decks, but that's okay, because after the winter, either before or after we hit the Bahamas, we're gonna just do another coat and touch it up a little bit. But for now, it's all done. We finally did it. We're so excited. It looks really good. So we're gonna go take up that tape and show everyone.
Okay, so we are out here and we are going to start removing the tape.
Ooh, so this tape, Mitch ran out when he was taping everything, so we just used a neighbor's painter's tape, and it got a little bit wet from the rain, so it's kind of annoying to take up, and it's leaving like all of this sticky residue, so we're just gonna have to scrape it up, but it's looking great. Yes, that's amazing. Oh.
Ooh. Oopsies.
A little uneven.
Start over here.
Hey everyone, so we just woke up and we've just been editing all morning. The blizzard did come, it's all snowy outside, but we realized we didn't film an outro, so we just wanted to pop on and say thanks for watching. We're so happy with the way the decks turned out, and make sure to follow us on all of our other social media accounts. They'll all be linked, and we're so happy with the way that the decks turned out. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna put a little montage right now of what it's looked like to get to where we are. So thanks for watching.
So we're done with that. The decks are now leak-free and now waterproof.